Let's take a look at example 1. It looks like we have to solve a one-step equation. That doesn't sound too hard. Okay, here we go. X plus 5 equals 34. The first thing we need to do is subtract both sides by 5 to get x by itself. My teacher uses the phrase isolate the variable. It actually means the same thing. Remember, what you do to one side must be done to the other. Subtracting 5 from both sides keeps the equation balanced. On the left, 5 minus 5 cancels out, and on the right, we have 34 minus 5. After subtracting, our final answer is x equals 29. Just to make sure we have the right answer, I'll plug 29 in for x to make sure both sides are equal. What do you know? 29 satisfies the equation. Now on to example 2. Notice this time we are asked to solve for a different variable m. Don't worry, we will pretty much solve this problem the way we solved problem 1. The main difference is we will have to subtract negative values. Our first step is to subtract 8 from both sides of the equation in order to get m by itself. Remember to apply your integer rules as you subtract 8 from negative 22. Notice on the left, 8 minus 8 cancels out or isolates the variable. As we look at the right side of the equation, negative 22 minus 8 can be rewritten as negative 22 plus negative 8. This leaves us with m equals negative 30. All we need to do now is check our answer by substituting negative 30 for m. As you can see, negative 30 satisfies the equation. Example 3 requires us to solve a one-step equation involving decimals. Whoa, wait a minute, did I say decimals? I sure did, but I'm sure you're not afraid to deal with them. Just remember, when adding and subtracting, keep your decimal values lined up. Let's begin by subtracting 10.8 from both sides of the equation. This gives us c equals 1.5. As we substitute 1.5 for c, we see that the equation is satisfied. Now it's your turn. You are asked to solve the equation n plus 5.5 equals negative 94.5. Let's take a few seconds to work it out. Okay, after subtracting 5.5 from both sides of the equation, you should have found n equals negative 100. All we have to do now is plug in negative 100 for n to see if the value satisfies the original equation. You did an amazing job today. Now we're ready to turn in our homework, and we don't have to blame it on the dog. See you next time!